My two little 30 ml fragrances here are from Coach the Fragrance line. So we'll start with the Coach the Fragrance Eau de Parfum, described as a sweet floral with notes of raspberry, rose, pear, musk, and suede, offering a light and sweet scent suitable for everyday wear. Here's the proper note breakdown. I feel this is the typical mass market, yummy smelling fare you can get these days. If you like Jimmy Choo, which also has pear, La Vie est Belle, Montguerlain, Black Opium, etc., this is not going to disappoint you. It's a modern rose, very fruity, suitable for daily wear, although, as I said, it is strong at first sniff. It's probably already become somebody's signature scent. The opening is bright and fruity with that delectable pear and raspberry leaf, and then it quickly matures a little with the velvety rose blooming up from the middle. It's got a suede-like feel to it, which is appropriate since Coach is a leather goods company. Now the dry down, which I haven't got to yet because I've just sprayed it, it's a tad soapy and finishes with like a powdery pillow of musk and some soft woodiness. And I'm really enjoying these bottles. Yeah, they don't have a cap. They just have this little turn lock thing on the top. Now, Coach the Fragrance Eau de Toilette is the lighter, fresher cousin featuring predominantly rose notes with softer citrus lemon replacing the raspberry. It's less sweet, probably better for hot climates where I will be shortly. Ugh. But this is also likely to have weaker performance, I think, although I haven't personally tested it to confirm. But here's the note breakdown for this one. You know, to me, this is more than just a lighter version of the original. It's different. There are similarities in the note breakdown, but just as many differences to make it different, I feel. I'm the type of person that usually goes for the EDP when there's an EDT available, just based on typically performance. No need to get both, right? But this EDT, this time around, is different enough that it's worth getting both if you already have the EDP, assuming, of course, you like both. This fragrance is brighter, lighter, more energetic, and fresher than the EDP version. It's described as a floral green composition. And yeah, it's greener and definitely less sweet. And thankfully, it still has the pear in it, which I love. This is basically tangy pear with citrus squeezed on top, smothered in white roses, and a few jasmine petals stirred in, and some woody musk waiting eagerly at the base. Hard not to like. I think if you like, oh yeah, that's nice. If you like Chance or Chance by Chanel, you'll probably like this. It's certainly an easy grab during warmer months when you don't want to think about too much. This EDT version does not dip into perfumey, sickly sweet territory, and it's indeed appropriate for the spring and summer months. The bottle of the EDT version has silver hardware as opposed to gold, by the way, which is appropriate. It kind of reflects the juice inside, as well as contrasting with the richer juice in the gold EDP bottles. And here I must confess to you guys, the bottles of these were part of the reason I picked these up. I love the mini metallic and leather Coach tags on the sides of these. I like the Coach brand, especially since they took efforts over recent years to step up their game with better designs and quality in their handbags, in my opinion. I think that I'll take these off when I'm done, which will be soon. Maybe I won't even bring them on my move. Can I use that much perfume in 2 days? Maybe. And then what I think I'll do is use these tags in maybe jewelry or clothing, you know? I can imagine these on the end of an earring or something. Anyway, I like this fragrance better, this one here better than the EDP, despite it being more floral and not performing as well. But I think that's due more to the fact that I feel that the EDP is just very generic.